Hello there guys, Francis Gray here and welcome back to a brand new video build, and in today's video we're going to be customizing a base for this custom one-off made figure of everyone's favourite rotten ghost, Jack, from the epic movie An American Werewolf in London. I'll see you after this. Okay guys, so as you can see here we have a custom made model of Jack the ghost from the epic movie American Werewolf in London, and as you can see there, this someone's made all the gnarly cuts and half his face is missing, like how he first shows up in the early part of the movie. So yeah, nice little custom Funko here. So this is a private commission. Client reached out and asked me if I could make a little custom base where it looks like he's on the moors. So I went through my my private stash of model bases, and out of all of them, this little clear perspex one seems to fit the best. So as you can see there, that looks a lot better than the other model bases that I currently have, and I have multiple of these stashed aside. So if the client wants any other Funkos to match, then we're good to go. So yeah, so in order to start this build off, I'm going to put this guy to one side to keep him safe. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a sharp scalpel, and I'm going to add some zigzag score marks, and then that'll give the modelling clay something to hold on to at a later stage. Okay, so that's nicely scratched up, so let's go ahead and crack on with adding some bulk. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with some wood chip repair, because all these little lumps and bumps that you get in the wood chip, that goes a long way to replicate like rocks, etc. So yeah, I'm just going to go in and just squirt some on and hope for the best. Okay, so just some general rocks from my back garden.
No way! Yes way!
Okay, we're going to go ahead and we're going to leave this to form a bit of a skin, not fully dry, just form a skin, and then I'm going to go in with the Funko Jack and I'm going to carefully squish him into place to make some natural grooves for his feet.
Well, hello, Mr. Fancy Pants.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so that looks like it's kind of forming a bit of a skin. So let's go ahead and get squishing. Okay, hopefully that'll do the trick.
I am shocked! Shocked! Well, not that shocked.
The next day.
Okay, so after leaving it a good probably about 18 hours to fully dry, the next day we're into the spray booth, and now we're going to hit it with at least 2 coats of a nice black primer.
You're goddamn right.
And to start things off, I'm going to go in with some medium sea grey from Model Colour. and then a tiny bit of acrylic dark green. Okay, so for the next part we need to go ahead and recreate the moors. And we're going to need a lot of various different grass tufts. So these were all kindly sent via the client. These are all some of the stuff that he wants me to use. So I think this is what we're working with. So we've got beige 2mm. We've got some autumn 5mm, and we've got some winter 5mm. I think it's mainly going to be this one actually. I think this is a bit, maybe a little bit too colourful, possibly. But we'll see how we get on. So I'm going to go ahead and open this first and start sticking.
And here we go.
Okay, let's have a bit of fun. Let's open this bad boy as well.
Soon after.
So that took a while, but we're not finished just yet because we need to go ahead and we need to glue Jack into place. So now to do that, just regular super glue. Oh yeah, by the way, if you're interested in what this is, it's titled Dark Green and Bushy.
Oh wait, you serious? Let me laugh even harder.
Okay, so with this stuff, I think it's more or less the same, but I think we might have to dab it into a tiny bit of PVA glue. Now, as you can see there, this is quite heavy compared to the other grass, so we're not going to go too crazy with this. It's just going to be a few little tufts. Okay guys, I think that'll work rather well. So let's go ahead and give this a little bit of clean up, and I'll take some photos and show you the finished results.
But wait! There's more!
And for the final step, I'm going to go in with some pre-made and coloured letters that spell the name Jack, and just add it to the name of the base plate. Okay guys, let's go ahead and leave that to dry, then I believe it's finished. Okay guys, so here he is, all finished, and I have to admit I am happy with the finished results. So I reached out to the client, and the client is over the moon with it. See what I did there? Moon, werewolf.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Well, everyone's a critic. All jokes aside, I am happy with how this little fella has turned out. So, if you've enjoyed this quick mini build, please slap that like button, share on Facebook and X, because it helps new people find the YouTube channel, which I'm always appreciative. Thank you for any help. If you have any comments, comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future builds. And if you want to be a legendary viewer, please take 5 minutes to check out my Patreon page, where with your help and support, we can do more projects like this more often. So, all that being said, once again, I'm Francis Gray, and this is a custom Funko Pop of Jack from the epic movie American Werewolf in London. See you in the next build.